What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am here in Longmont, Colorado at the Hartford complex. We're doing some drone racing today, and so far the newest racer, this is the Heavy Racer. I'm going to nickname her Fat Betty. That's her new nickname. She's doing pretty good. So after 2 rounds of qualifying, first round I hit a 51, 46, and a 45. And then the next round, I hit a 46, 45, and a 39. So definitely getting the hang of the track, getting the hang of how this flies. It flies pretty smooth. It's very similar to my freestyle, which is nice, which is what I like. And she is a tank. She is heavy, which is what the whole goal was. So I'm definitely going to be making a second one. So I've got another Proton frame at home that I can convert. So if you guys can give me some suggestions on what her new nickname should be. This one is Fat Betty. So what should her sister's name be? Give me some ideas.